Hello and welcome back. Today, we're diving into Meta AI. It is now completely free for a limited time. Meta AI is packed with creative features. These are the ones we'll test today: text to image, photo editing, image animation, and AI video editing. Your time is valuable, so let's dive in. Let's start with text to image, the core feature that most people will use first. Step 1. Open your browser and go to meta.ai. In the prompt box, type "imagine" followed by your description. Within seconds, you'll get 4 image options. Your results depend on how you describe your idea. If I type "imagine a cozy reading corner with a soft armchair, a steaming mug of tea, and a stack of books, afternoon sunlight shining through the window," Meta AI quickly generates a calm, warm lifestyle photo. Now, let's try a completely different style. Imagine a watercolor painting of a seaside village with fishing boats and pastel houses. Now we get an artistic illustration. And one more example. Imagine a clean product shot of wireless earbuds on a white background with a soft drop shadow. Look at this. Perfect for e-commerce or online stores. Next, let's look at editing and restyling photos. This feature lets you upload your own images and make changes instantly, whether it's removing distractions, changing a background, or improving the overall look. Just click the upload icon next to the prompt box, choose a photo from your computer, and then type in the edit you want. Here are some real-world examples. You took a nice photo, but there's a random person in the background. Just type "remove the person in the background." In seconds, the person is gone. You want to change the setting of a portrait. Upload the photo and type "replace the background with a sunny beach and clear blue water." You can see the beach in the background. Or maybe you're working on product photography. Upload a product photo and type "turn this into a clean studio shot on a white background with professional lighting." This is incredibly useful for small business owners, online sellers, or anyone posting content. Now, let's move on to image animation. This feature is amazing because it takes a still image, either one you generated or one you uploaded, and brings it to life with motion. Let's try it first with an image that I just generated. Let's pick this image right here. Now just click on the Animate option that's right under the image. And just like that, Meta AI creates a short animated clip you can download. You can also do the same thing with an image that you have uploaded. Just hit Animate and Meta AI will do the magic. Let me give you a few creative examples. Upload an image and type "animate his face with a natural blink and a gentle smile." Now your static headshot feels alive. The blink is a little too subtle, but it works. Generate a landscape and then animate it with drifting clouds and a slow camera zoom. I don't see a lot of clouds, but the camera zoom is awesome. How about a lifestyle shot? Make the steam from this teacup rise slowly and loop. Look how amazing this is. These animations are perfect for short-form content like Instagram Reels, TikTok, or even YouTube intros. Finally, let's look at the AI video editing feature. This feature allows you to upload short clips and apply AI styles to transform them. Click the upload icon. Select Restyle a video and choose a clip from your computer. You can trim your clip in the editor if you want it shorter. You can pick a preset style and apply it. Let's take this clip, for example. I can upload it and choose Desert Rave, give a few seconds to generate, and just like that, I have my result. They have tons of different types of preset styles you can choose from. Here are some fun presets you can try. Graphic novel turns your video into a comic book with bold ink lines. Rainy day adds mist, rain streaks, and cooler tones to the scene. Desert scene shifts your clip into warm, sandy tones, like a movie set in the desert. Anime style reimagines your footage in a playful cartoon style. You can also choose from some of the popular edits: video game, anime, or desert rave. They also have preset fashion styles like Western or 90s hip-hop. You can even change the background and theme to jungle, field, celestial, or medieval. The options are a lot. Right now, edits usually applied to the first 10 seconds of your clip. So pick a strong segment, something with motion or action, so the transformation is dramatic. Anything you've created is stored under Media. You can access it anytime you like. Tips for better results? Be clear about style. Say photo, watercolor, sketch, 3D render, or cartoon. Add details. Mention lighting, mood, or background. Use adjectives like warm, minimal, playful, or dramatic to help Meta AI understand your intent. If your first images or videos aren't perfect, just hit regenerate or rewrite your prompt with extra details. Record short, high-quality clips in good lighting before uploading. The cleaner the video, the better the AI results. You can combine multiple edits in one prompt, like brighten the colors, remove the chair in the corner, and replace the wall with a modern brick texture. Animation tips. Keep movements subtle. It looks more natural. Add camera motions like pan, zoom, or push in for a cinematic effect. Use animation to highlight small details like blinking, ripples, or glowing lights. So that's a full walkthrough of Meta AI. We started with text to image, then moved to photo editing, then image animation, and finally, AI video editing. As you can see, Meta AI makes it incredibly easy to go from simple ideas to finished content in just a few steps. Whether you're a creator, a small business owner, or just experimenting with AI, these tools can save you time and give you professional-looking results. If this tutorial was helpful, please hit like, subscribe for more AI guides, and drop a comment to let me know which feature you're going to try first. Until next time, keep creating.